This is stock 110754 2010 Chevy Cheyenne extended cab, and our exterior color is silver. Interior features include power windows, lock and mirror, manual seating, tilt steering, cruise control, CD AM FM radio, cup holder armrest flips up for additional seat, and our interior color is black. Exterior features include chrome wheels, extended cab, and rear interior features include full seating that flips up for additional storage. Again, this is stock 110754 2010 Chevy Cheyenne extended cab, and our exterior color is silver.